Very good morning, children. Children, today we'll be starting with lesson number 5, that is family values. Okay, we have already completed 4 of the lessons. Now we will begin with lesson number 5, family values. Children, before going into the details of the lesson, just tell me that in your family, if all are arranging for a picnic or a trip, yes, how do you all make the decision? Yes, you all consult elders in the family, right? जो बड़े लोग हैं उनसे बातचीत करने के बाद, right, we all decide about the trip or the picnic, right children? Do you offer suggestion about the places to visit during the trip? Yes, you are also participate in the discussion, right children? कि हम लोग इधर जाते हैं, then उधर जाते हैं. Yes. Do you get to suggest which guests should be invited over during a holiday? मतलब हॉलीडे होता है तभी किस किस को घर पे बुलाना है. Do you all decide that? Yes, you all suggest at least, right? कि मौसी को बुलाते हैं, चाची को बुलाते हैं, right? How do you help during preparation for festivals or function at home? You will do small things at home, means sweeping the floor, kachra uthana. Yes, so you all help your elders in this way, right children? Now we will see about role in decision making. We live together in a family. Yes, every person's likes and dislikes are different. Means हर एक को अपनी अपनी पसंद होती है, राइट? पसंद नापसंद. Thoughts and opinions can also differ. We ourselves are different from others. Yes, children. Even so, our thoughts and opinions can match those of others on various topics. मतलब कभी कभी हम लोग के फ्रेंड्स का ओपिनियन और हमारा ओपिनियन सेम हो सकता है, राइट? We take care of each other and are concerned about other people's well-being. Yes or no? Yes. We talk to each other before making the decisions about anything in the house. Yes, children? Discussions होने के बाद ही कुछ निर्णय लिया जाता है घर पे, right children? We consult each other and make decisions that everyone agrees with. Yes or no? Yes. In this way, we are a part of decision making in the family. Yes? Right. Now we'll see about what happens when everything has a role in decision making. Each person gets opportunity to say what he or she thinks, right? सबको समान मौका मिलता है कि उसका मत क्या है, उसका डिसीजन क्या है, कहना क्या है उसका, राइट? By asking everyone's opinions, the subject is thoroughly discussed from every aspect. मीन्स अगर पिकनिक पे जाना है सपोज, तो वहाँ का बजट क्या है, वहाँ पे कौन कौन सी अच्छी अच्छी जगह है, होटल्स अच्छी है या नहीं, ट्रैवलिंग के लिए अच्छा पड़ेगा या नहीं, ये सब एस्पेक्ट्स देखे जाते हैं एंड देन डिसाइड किया जाता है कि कहाँ पे जाना है. राइट चिल्ड्रन? वी फील like a more important part of the family when we see that our opinion is valued. Right children? जब भी हम लोगों को फैमिली में पूछा जाता है कि भाई कहाँ जाना है, यू ऑल्सो सजेस्ट सम प्लेस, देन हम लोगों को भी अच्छा लगता है कि दे आर गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू अस ऑल्सो. राइट चिल्ड्रन? Just as we have a role in making the decisions in our family, we also have a role in public decision making. Okay? In newspapers, we read about matters requiring public participation. A few examples of such news have been summarized below. Citizens participate in municipal budget planning. Citizens to decide the matters on which to spend money. Citizens crowd to suggest improvements to city development plan. Inauguration of road joining 6 villages. Joint effort by 6 villages bears fruit. Fine. This is a newspaper heading and an article related to it. We feel the need for minor changes in our environment. It is to our advantage that everyone has a role in making decisions about changes in our surroundings. Yes, the government we all elect makes the decisions regarding public matters. Right, children? So all of them who are above 18 years of age, they should vote. Fine? So that we can select appropriate representative and he or she will work for the welfare of the people. Yes, children? Yes. If we feel that a decision made by the government is wrong, we can register our opinions. Yes? And in this way, we can be a part of the decision making process. Yes? Be a part of the decision making process in your home. Do not form your opinion merely on the basis of what others say. Share your thoughts with others. Fine? Now children, here are some examples. You have to state which of the children show honest behavior. See the first example. Afreen borrowed a pencil from Meenu. After she finished using it, she returned it. Yes, children, is this an honest behavior? Yes, this is a good behavior. Yes. Second, Shama fell from her bicycle. However, she told her mother, Neha pushed me off the bicycle. So, children, is this an honest behavior? No. Why? Because she told a lie to her mother. Yes. Mary took the bag she found in a rickshaw to a police station. Is this an honest behavior? Yes, this is indeed an honest behavior. Right? Effects of honest and dishonest behavior. मतलब सच बोलना चाहिए या नहीं. Right? We do many different things every day. Yes. Sometimes we make mistakes. When we realize that we have made a mistake, we should talk about it openly with our friends and family. Fine? अगर हम लोगों ने गलती की है तो उस गलती को सुधारना चाहिए. वी शुड टॉक विथ आवर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स अबाउट दैट मिस्टेक कि मैंने ऐसी ऐसी गलती की है, बट आई विल नॉट रिपीट द मिस्टेक. फाइन. Then, by doing this, we learn to be honest and find a way to correct our mistakes. Okay? It is also necessary to be honest and sincere in our work. Yes, काम के मामले में भी यही लागू होता है. We should be honest and sincere in our work as well. We must try hard to keep the trust in any relationship and never cheat. Okay? किसी के साथ बुरा करना नहीं है, and we should never cheat in a relationship. If we are honest, we do not have to be afraid. अगर हम सच्चे हैं तो हमें डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But if we are dishonest, we lose our self-confidence. हमारा स्वाभिमान हम खो देते हैं अगर हम झूठ बोलते हैं तो. Right? We must be honest at home as well as in public. Everyone respects an honest person. Honesty is our strength. Okay? सच्चाई हमारी शक्ति होती है. ओके? अगर हम सच्चे हैं तो सब हमें इज्जत देंगे, रिस्पेक्ट देंगे. फाइन. नाउ विल सी अबाउट ऑनेस्टी इन पब्लिक लाइफ. इफ वी आर ऑनेस्ट इन आवर पब्लिक लाइफ, we will get better public services and facilities. What happens if we travel on a train or bus without a ticket? Our public transport system will run at a loss. Yes, children, and would soon have to shut down. Right? If each person buys a ticket honestly, this problem will not arise. Yes, children. Honesty can increase efficiency in public life. Honesty is the best way to increase discipline and efficiency in public life. Fine, children. Next, advantages of cooperation. In a family, we cooperate with each other. Yes, similarly in team sports, the more the players cooperate with one another, the better is the game. Yes, instead of keeping the feeling of cooperation restricted to sports, we should bring it into public life as well. Everyone needs cooperation in public life. We too need the help of others. Right? Fairs, rallies, and other such gatherings can only be arranged successfully if we cooperate with one another. Yes, children, in parties, functions and all, it is not a one-man show. Right? एक आदमी से काम चलता नहीं है वहाँ पे. We need cooperation of many people to make such events successful. Right, children? So cooperation is very much essential, very much important. Fine. Now, children, what is the solution for this? Okay, we meet a boy who has lost his way. What will you do now? If you know the address, what he is searching for, you can help him to reach that address. Yes, children? Okay. While on a trip, we realize that our friend has forgotten her tiffin at home. What will you do? You will share your tiffin with him or her. Yes, children? And last, some people are stuck in the lift of a building. What will you do in such a case? You will consult higher authorities of that building, secretary, trustee, anyone, and you will inform them uh, about that incident so they can take some action against it, right, children? So, this was all about our today's lecture. Okay, we will continue with the lesson in our next lecture.